welcome back to my channel, Popstar Drawings. If you haven't seen my two previous videos, links are in the description. Today I'll show you how to draw a cute bird. Okay, let's begin. First you start off with 22. And then do another 22. You have to make them even on the bottom so they could be good. And then we connect both 22s together and then do a beak like this. After we have done this, we do a cute little eye for the bird. You could see probably how the bird is gonna look. It's like showing right now. And then with the lines on the bottom, you should just like erase it first and then draw it straight. There we go. See how it looks? And then we have to connect it to the other two lines. And then after we are done with that, we draw another line under it. Here we go. Finish the other line. And then after we have done that, we draw some legs, because a bird has to have legs. What's a bird without legs? Like this. Okay. And then we do a triangle. It's not like a triangle, but it's like almost a triangle. There we go. And then we connect it to another big one because we are gonna be doing it, the whole body, everything. And then we draw a line like that. Some hair because this is a girl. Hair on it. And then some hair here. We're done with that one. Now we go off with this one. It's gonna be like the same thing, but like a boy. Cause, yeah. And then we start off with it again, we connect it. There we go. And then we draw the beak. And then another beak. Make it like the other one so it could be like super duper cute. There we go, we're done with that one. And then we draw the eye like in the other eye of the bird. There we go, because they're two lovebirds. After we're done with that, we draw the lines, erase it, and there you go, we're done erasing it. And then we draw the line, there we go. They're gonna be living in a tree because a bird usually lives in a tree. They can't, they can live anywhere else, but they usually live in a tree, build nests on a tree, and that's where I see them. There we go, we're done with that. Now we do the feather of the bird. There we go, we're done. And we have finished, but we forgot the legs. There we go. We have finished it, and now we continue by doing the trees, because they live on a tree. The tree will have roots because trees have roots, and they will have trees, more trees on the bottom. You could add some butterflies because maybe they have got stuck in trees. There we go, there we go, there we go. And then another one here, another one there, another one there. You could draw more here. And basically, it's like gonna be a bird living in a tree with some butterflies and a heart in the middle. because they're too lovely. There we go. We're done with that heart. And you can see we have finished both birds. And let's continue with the tree again. It looks so pretty. Oh, we forgot the bird. We forgot the butterfly. You can see how I'm doing the butterflies. It's so easy. There we go. It's super duper cute. And then the butterfly is gonna have hearts sticking out of it from the end. It'll be super adorable. Turn up the picture around so you could get like a good single. There you go. We are done with both pictures. Now we continue by coloring it, and today we will be using a gray color for the two birds. This is the gray color that I am gonna be using. It is so good. And then we're gonna color it with the bird because birds sometimes are gray, white, but we are doing it right today. Gray, they're white, they're black, they're brown, I guess. And they might be colorful for like super special birds. There we go. Don't leave any white behind so it could look super pretty. And we just continue by coloring it. Don't get onto the beak or anything because we are going to be coloring those. There we go, we finished this bird. Now it's time to finish the other bird. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If you don't have white paper, you could do it in any other paper. Now for the heart, we are going to be using red because it's good. Actually, let's do it first with purple. Wow, this purple is so good. I use it in every video. Like in the two other previous videos that I'm gonna leave the links below. There we go. We still have to color those hearts. First, let's give it a highlight purple. There we go. Done. 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 Boom. This is so much fun. You should try it out and follow what I am doing. And these are tricks you could do for the 2222. Like those. And then connect them like I showed you earlier. There we go. Why shouldn't we color the butterfly gray as well? Because or maybe like black. Nah. Let's use a purple color. There we go. This purple color. And for the other wing, we're gonna be using pink. It's gonna be two different colored butterflies because it is a special butterfly. It's not like any other butterfly. Now we're done. Now we use pink. There we go. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. There we go, we're done with that. Instead of using black for it, why don't we use purple? Like, we have to make it colorful. There we go, we're done. The butterfly almost. We just need to do these two little things. We're done with the butterfly. Now we continue off with the tree. We use brown for these. For the roots, I guess, of the trees. So there we go. We're not gonna be coloring the tree all green because we're gonna use we're gonna color it all green, but two different greens, like a light green, a dark green. There. So it could be like so pretty. These are the two greens I'm gonna be using for this coloring. So first I start off with the dark green and color it lightly and gentle. So it could be super duper pretty. And it's okay if you miss white spots. Leave the white spots because it will give it a little bit more color, because we're going to be doing it also with another color. So don't worry about that. Just color it really good. The way I'm coloring it is good because trees usually like have a greenish lightest. Darker like took light, and we're gonna be doing that. And it's also spring, so yay! Best time of the year to draw color, even though you're stuck at home. We're almost done. Just need to continue coloring the trees. Leave like spots in the trees so we could like color it a little bit more. Yeah. There we go, we're done. Now we color it with this color like I showed you, and then we're gonna be saying bye-bye. There we go. And then we're gonna be coloring the beak, the legs, and then that's it. We're gonna coloring it. And there we go. We're almost done with the beak. Gonna be an orange color, and then for the other stick we're gonna be using brown. Also for the legs we're gonna be using brown because legs are black and brown is the same color. And anyways, we colored it with brown, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on the bell notifications, and see you later. Bye.